From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, here are the headlines. Nigerian pastor Korede Komaiya gets fellow pastor arrested. NYC will pay 77,000 naira core members allowance in March, says DG. Now the news in detail. Apostle Festus Alili, the senior pastor of Word of Power Gospel Church International in Ugeli, Delta State, was arrested by police late Thursday following controversial statements he made against Pastor Korede Komaiya of the Master's Place International Church, a well-known prosperity preacher. The arrest comes after Pastor Alili posted a video on his official Facebook page in which he accused Pastor Komaiya of misleading church members with fabricated prosperity teachings. Alilu alleged that Komaiya's sermons were designed to exploit congruent faith by promoting financial breakthroughs and successes through offerings and tithes, a practice commonly associated with the prosperity gospel. In the video, Apostle Alilu warned that if Komaiya and others did not abandon such deceptive practices, it could deepen the divide and confusion within the Christian community.
Pastor Korede Komaiya is a big problem in the body of Christ in this season, and that is who should be called out. Pastor Korede, I don't know what that guy is preaching. Is he preaching what that guy is saying in his church in every of the services? You will not hear him give expository teaching of Christ, the beatitude, the life of Christ, the life of the apostles. You will not hear him say any of those things. The fruit of the Spirit, you will hear him. Every day he will be saying what will put young ministers under pressure.
While some commenters support Alilu's bold stance, others criticize him for publicly challenging a fellow pastor, arguing that internal matters within the church should be handled privately. As of the time of this report, neither Pastor Komaiya nor the Master's Place International Church has issued an official response to the accusations or the arrest of Pastor Alilu. In other news, the Director General of the National Youth Service Corps, Brigadier General Olakunle Nafi, has assured corps members that the new monthly allowance of 77,000 naira will be implemented starting in March 2025. The DG gave the assurance during an interactive session with corps members at the Wuse and Gaki NYC Zonal Office in Abuja, while reaffirming the commitment of both the NYC and the federal government to the welfare of corps members.
But with effect from March Alawi, I can assure you
the development comes months after the NYC announced the proposed increment of the allowance from 33,000 naira to 77,000 naira, in line with the new minimum wage of 70,000 naira approved by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in July 2024, after a previous increase in 2019 to 33,000 naira. Also following a review of the new minimum wage to 30,000 naira, Brigadier General Nafi emphasized that the well-being of the corps members remains a top priority and urged them to remain calm, dedicated, focused, and disciplined in their service to the nation. We will continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please keep watching NaijaNews TV. Good night.